Hi, and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. Today we are making a delicious vegetarian pate. It's all the yumminess of foie gras and none of the guilt. And we make it with mushrooms. Now, ordinarily, I don't like to use packaged ingredients in my recipes, but today we're using onion soup mix because it works. So this is really easy. All you need are some sliced mushrooms, some cottage cheese, scallions, breadcrumbs, a little wine, and a hot skillet. So let's get started. Our mushrooms have cooked down beautifully. You just put them in a blender and blend them. Give them a good chop and then scrape the sides down, give it another spin. All right, that looks pretty good. So now we're going to add our cottage cheese and our breadcrumbs. I think that's good. So that looks nicely blended. Now we're just going to scoop it into individual cups. Now we'll just give them a good tap. Now we'll cover these and put them in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Our pate is out of the fridge. It's nice and firm. It chilled for 2 hours. So the way I'm going to serve it is just place it in the center of a dish and surround it with some endive or endive. Which looks very pretty. I'm just going to show you how creamy this is. I mean, look at that. It's really, really a nice treat. It's delicious. And compared to a full-fat liver pate, this is harmless and it's every bit as good. So if you like this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. I hope you try this recipe and become a subscriber. I'd love to have you on board. I'll see you again next time here at Home with Anita Rosner. Thanks for watching.